Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix no sound on Mac even when volume is up. So if your Mac's volume is turned up but still can't hear any sound, this issue is often caused by the wrong output device being selected instead of a hardware problem. For example, your Mac may still be sending the audio to Bluetooth headphones, an external monitor or other connected device even though you are expecting sound from your built-in speakers. So if you are experiencing the problem, here's how to fix it. First, open System Settings. Now go to Sound from the left side bar. Now under Output section, check the correct selected output device. If the wrong device is selected, click to Mac's built-in speaker or audio device you are actually want to use. Now next, make sure the output volume slider is turned up and your Mac is not muted. If you are using a Bluetooth headphones or external speaker, disconnect them temporarily and test the built-in speakers again. Now one more reason that most creators don't let you know, that if you have enabled detection, basically detection is a feature of Mac that lets you speak and write the words in the supported app. So if you have enabled detection on your Mac, you can't hear any sound. The time when detection is enabled on Mac, the output volume is temporarily disabled until detection is enabled. So check that also. Press the F5 keys on your keyboard to disable detection if you have set that as the shortcut key to enable or disable detection. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.